If you live in a northern place, the changes in the seasons are very noticeable. Even if you live in a place closer to the equator, such as Florida, there are noticeable changes in the seasons, but they're somewhat less dramatic. What exactly is responsible for the change in seasons? As you may know, our planet Earth has a spherical shape, kind of like this ball. In space, Earth is not positioned straight up and down, but is tilted on an imaginary line called an axis that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. You also may know that Earth moves around the Sun. In space, Earth revolves around the Sun while the Sun stays in one place. The amount of time that it takes Earth to revolve completely around the Sun is 1 year, or 365 days. When Earth revolves around the Sun, its axis is always tilted in the same direction. During the part of the year seen here, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun and receives less sunlight. You decide. What season is this? It's the winter season in the northern hemisphere. But as Earth continues to revolve around the Sun, the northern hemisphere becomes tilted toward it and receives more sunlight. On March 20th or 21st, the north and south halves of Earth receive the same amount of sunlight. This is called the spring equinox. On the equinox, it's dark for 12 hours and light for 12 hours everywhere on Earth. The spring equinox signifies the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere. As Earth continues to revolve around the Sun during the spring, it receives more sunlight and the days get longer and warmer. The last day of spring occurs on June 20th or 21st. Summer is the next season that follows spring.